iPhone 13 is planned to release on 2021. Many people cannot wait to see the latest update from iPhone for this iPhone 13. There are also some leaks about the features and specs that you can expect from iPhone 13. Touch screen and fingerprint sensor. Smartphones nowadays are packed with touch screen and fingerprint sensors. Thus, it is not surprising that the iPhone 13 will be packed with Touch ID sensor and fingerprint sensor. This statement is also strengthened by the fact that the iPad Air 4 is packed with Touch ID from Apple. However, many people also hope that Apple will also pack the iPhone 13 with a Face ID. Upgrade battery. It has been a well-known secret that long-lasting battery not only attract a lot of customers' interest, but also give them different type of satisfaction in using their smartphone. Thus, many Apple fans hope that iPhone 13 will be packed with the upgrade battery with better optimizations. Massive camera upgrade. Cameras also contribute to inviting customers' interest in buying a new smartphone. It may be too early to state that Apple will pack the iPhone 13 with a massive camera upgrade. However, fans are optimistic that the iPhone 13 will be packed with a LiDAR sensor, as the previous iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max are also packed with this sensor. Modem. The performance of the iPhone 12 is supported by Qualcomm, which is not very good in terms of power efficiency. Thus, many Apple fans are optimistic that the iPhone 13 will be packed with a better modem. Apple also confirmed that they will use 5G modem for the latest new iPhone series that will be released next year. iPhone 13 will use X60 modem with 5nm fabrications that is directly integrated into the main chipset.